So what I'm working on now is this little device that's supposed to clamp and go into there. It allows you to keep your rear window open a little bit to allow extra air, and it uses the same tool as you do for your top, so you can take it off whenever you want. So let's see how this works.
So what can we as individuals now, as we think about
So it goes up. There's a locking screw there too. Oh, look at that. Didn't even see that. There's a locking screw on this side too. I would guess that is there to prevent it from teetering. Alright, so let's see how this works. Yeah, it holds it in place, and it's about 2 inches higher. So I'm about to road test this, and we'll see.